retracement, structure coming in at 50%, weakening dollar. So nice candle reversal here. That'll get me to go long. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Tuesday, 10 December 2024. I'll be trading long on the Swiss, the yen and the pound, and short on the Aussie, the CAD and the New Zealand dollar. If you look at the US dollar index, you can see here, I've showed you yesterday, this falling wedge pattern, this rising trend line. It's holding the support, the lateral support here. It's a big coup de grace area here for the dollar. Because if it breaks up, it's going to be bullish. If it falls over, it's going to be bearish or sideways. Trend still up, still patterns bullish, but we need to close on a daily or a weekly basis above this falling wedge and above this rising trend line to negate the whole effect of this rising trend line. Because we can close below this falling wedge, but then we can test the rising trend line and then it could reverse from there. That reversal could be just a retest to confirm the falling wedge structure. So you can see what is the problem now. We sit technically in between a rock and a hard place unless we can get some clear-cut direction on this. But this becomes a real difficult scenario, and sadly for December, because I'm waiting patiently for the nice Santa Claus run, and it's not coming, and the dollar index is not going to help at this stage. The technical patterns are way too difficult. It's easy to read, but to know which one is going to win, that's the problem. Very sideways at this stage, and we're going to need clear cut. I would prefer a break above because that's the easiest one, because we're going to get a close above both lines and then we can say, okay, we're back bullish. But a close just above the wedge could still be resistance at the rising trend line. So let's see. We look at gold pushing above this halfway mark. I've been talking about this halfway mark on the bear side of things, and I said I won't short this, but the sweet spot of the candle helped and stayed, and well, there was a big resistance level. Now if we can get a daily close above that, the next stop would be basically that highs to give us the next resistance level. Right. Other than that, we need this to turn bullish before I can go long again. You can see here this nice falling trend, not a trend line, but it's like a falling, we can call it a flag, you can call it a ton of things. It's just a consolidation. I can draw lines anywhere here and create any form of pattern for you. I can do this and say it's a triangle. I can do this and say it's a flag. That's why I don't like trading patterns, because you never know which one it is. But if the market can break, retest, confirm with a candle pattern, that means the market is confirming the structure. Then I'm happy, regardless the name of the pattern. Patterns on its own is pretty useless. So gold on the dollar weakening, so gold should push slowly but surely up the page. If we can close above the halfway mark of this black candle, that negates a lot of the bearishness of this black candle. Okay, but for now, I won't do anything. I will just sit. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Bitcoin retracing back to this pattern very violently. We saw the retest there, the long lower shadow, but I think the market won't easily run after that. A lot of people got caught with their pants down there, so they're waiting for the retracement here. Usually on these long lower shadows, we see on the halfway mark of those long lower shadows some support. So most likely the support should come in there. We haven't seen a close below this falling, well, let's call it this triangle line. A strong reversal from here, that would initiate the next bull trend. But we've seen the targets being hit there. That target was surprisingly well. That was the weakest of all my targets, I thought. And really, 104 on the nose. So that's the places to lighten up. The next stop is it's 110. The next one is 120, and then the next one is 150. I've showed it on previous videos, the 2.618 of these last swings. So those are all the targets that we're going to look at over the next month or 2 or 3. But still very bullish, a violent sell-off. Yes, not nice, but we need retests. But a little bit of a consolidation. I just hope we don't go into a consolidation period for December. I don't think we should. We're going to see some selling end of the year for portfolio managers balancing their portfolios and everything. but from there on we should be bullish into March. So let's hope for the best. Pound US on the normal currencies, pound very strong, you can see in the green zone, dollar quite neutral here on the 4-hour charts, but pound very strong, fighting with the top spot there, was up there, losing actually a little bit steam against the Swiss franc, but regardless it's still very strong. Triangle formed. So if I get a breakout, a retest and a counter reversal, that will confirm the triangle as structure, and then I can take that long, but also on a retracement back here. You can see here the last swing from this low to that high, the swing 61% level. That's exactly what I would like also to see. This could then also turn into a flag pattern. See if it retests this here now, that could turn into a flag pattern. So it's a triangle now potentially, and this could, if it retests the 61, it could be a flag pattern. So again, see patterns, really it's just a consolidation. That's it. That's what it is. There's certain rules you have to apply. There's certain targets you can set once the market confirmed it as structure. But other than that, it doesn't have that much use. It just confirms it's sideways, it's consolidating. Right, but two areas to look for: counter reversals, breakout, retest, counter reversal, pound stronger than the dollar. As long as that stays like that, that's one of my favorite setups for today. Euro CAD pushing quite nicely. Still retracement to this structure level. That's the area I'm going to look for. You look at Euro quite neutral, but CAD I want to be short there. And going long here, that'll give me the short on the CAD. Then the Nasdaq, retracement, structure coming in at 50%, weakening dollar. So nice counter reversal here, that'll get me to go long. And it's one of the only few indices that I could be long in. I got a nice DAX long now for the last 2 weeks, so that looks very nice, and I hope that turns into a Santa Claus run for me. Up 1,000 points on that one. Stop loss, I think 400. No, I'm up 800 points. Stop loss 400 points in profit, so not complaining about that. So this is the second one I'm looking at the support level. You can see the support level here, nice strong break, retest here. We will see how the market responds here, but the dollar weakening, and that's why I'm interested in this. US CAD, you can see here dollar, not interested there, but CAD short, I'm interested in the CAD short. Now on my mentoring program, we are short on the CAD already. We long here, so we got this long here, and we've hit our first target here now on 100 point or pip target, and we're still gunning for some higher pips there. Other than that, I'm waiting for a retracement back to the structure here at 61% level. Then I can look for some longs on counter reversals. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please follow the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.